Folks, MJ here with our next episode. Hey Matt, slow down a little bit. Michael's trying to catch up. Here we are with the teardown review. So give me a little bit so I can get set up and be right back with you. Okay folks, it's the teardown and here we go. Are you ready? I'm gonna try opening the door quick and run. Okay, here we go. Have we been a little busy?
A little bit. Crap, I forgot my phone too.
Did you? I got plenty of pictures. I even have a couple videos. I can actually turn them loose now.
Yeah.
There's your motor. What we found?
I was waiting for you to turn the camera off before I did that.
Yeah, that's alright. I already got pictures of it.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't want him to be upset.
He ain't gonna be upset. He's not gonna be upset. He's gonna be shocked.
Oh, wow.
Your complete tub's gone.
Damn.
Complete floor pan's gone. It's got to be completely replaced.
Yeah, it is.
Good news is you got a good frame.
Does he?
Well.
Better than most?
Yeah.
We could have pretty much taken the body up to the floor and also.
Oof.
You see that?
Yeah. I knew this was not bad.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Wow. Sure, where there's actually water, it's nice. Kind of.
And guess what? Your windshield was leaking. It wasn't even glued except for in the corners.
We took it out without cutting it, really.
Yeah.
Wow.
We were worried about taking it out to begin with, but
I don't know what that's from.
that's from right above you.
I was gonna say, yeah, that's
Oh.
the weather.
Remember, I got to cut that out to get in there.
The seals are no good. Everything's shot.
Oh yeah.
New weather stripping is expensive too.
No, it ain't.
It's $150 a side.
69.
That's
You
cheap compared to what we got to put in this car.
69. I found them on eBay.
You found it for 69?
Yep.
You did that, didn't you?
What?
I did.
No, I didn't.
I did that yesterday.
What's that?
It doesn't even
Watch
matter.
me.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to head over to
Hey Matt, come check out your hood.
Yeah, I saw
I
that.
had to cut it back off yesterday. You may completely take it back off. Start over.
Oops.
Here, let me give you.
But guess what?
That works.
Got a hole in her now.
Look at how he did it too.
I took out, put 1/4-inch rod around it and folded it around.
Oh, that's
You can
nice.
see it right in here.
There's no way you're going to cut your fingers.
Oh, nice.
Plus, for water, it'll keep it going. There's 2 holes in the front, one on each side.
Put 2 holes in 2 slots.
Look at that.
And then we extended the scoop a little bit on the end. Now it won't crack.
Oh, yeah.
And then inside, for the screen, it's all set up, ready to rock and roll.
Sweet. Well, you can have that hood done by tomorrow. I like the month that took it.
That hood is done until it gets pressed until you get done with it.
Oh, yeah, you gotta sand the other side.
Yeah.
You
Damn.
got to prep all the other sides.
And the trunk.
By hand.
Both fenders, the trunk, the hood, and the door.
Oh, here's your driver's door, Matt.
What's left of it.
Yeah. Right up here. Is it in the back? Yeah,
It's underneath, yeah.
Wow.
right here. See, they filled it with strand.
Yeah.
Didn't even take care of it the right way. So,
There's a lot of duct tape on it, Matt.
so you surprised?
Not really. I bet if we tore into this,
It'd probably be a little bit better.
No, I don't know. It's hard to say.
I don't know. At least I have a floor pan.
But your money on it.
I'm sure it's not great.
Yeah.
Hey Michael, let me borrow your car for a couple days.
But
We actually